What's up everyone, it's your boy Pura, welcome back to my channel. You know we get so much work done when we are studying with a group, right? Said no one ever. The concept of group studies was invented because parents don't let their kids go out during the exams. So, group studies was the only option available for the kids to chill with their friends. So let's talk about the types of people in every group study. Okay, come on everyone, focus. I'm only going to say it once, alright? What do you mean you haven't even started studying? I told you, if you want me to teach you, you have to read pages 1 through 394 before coming here. Here, I have made copies of the summary notes that I have made. The original material was 500 pages long, but I've summarized it in 495 pages only. I can guarantee you the questions will come from this only. What subject exam do we have tomorrow? Science! But I have brought history books. The history paper is already done. When? Oh yeah, I remember something about that. Yeah. Well then I don't have any material to study right now. Give me your notes, I'll make photocopies for myself. What all do we have in the portion? The entire book? When did the teacher teach all of this? Has the teacher given any list of important questions? You know what, I think I'm gonna fail this paper anyhow, so I might as well start studying for the next paper. What do you think? Guys, I am so scared for tomorrow. I haven't even started studying. I took a mock test yesterday and only got 93%. What am I going to do tomorrow? But I guess we'll all fail together, right? At least we'll get another year to be together. You guys want to take a break? Guys, this is the most important exam of our life. Our entire future depends on this exam. If we don't score well in this, we won't get into a good college. If we don't get into a good college, we won't get a good job. If we don't get a good job, then our parents will get us married to some fat and rich guy who burps and farts at the dining table. Guys, we were not born to give in to the pressures of the society. A piece of paper cannot decide our future. The system wants to contain us. We have to fight the system. Don't let it get to you. Let's all protest against the exam. What can the principal do if none of us show up? He will have to change the system. You know Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, they were all dropouts. Now you decide whether you want to be Bill Gates or you want to work for him. What? They dropped out of Harvard. So what? I gifted the teacher some wine and she's told me that chapters 6, 9, 12 and 14 are not going to be in the exam. Also based on the past papers, seniors have told me that 10% of the questions are going to be out of syllabus. Here is a list of those out of syllabus questions. Hello? 1 second. Hey, what time is the paper tomorrow? 11. Alright, everyone keep your phones on you tomorrow, alright? I'll send you the question papers by 9. It'll be 500 per person, okay? Guys, I'm telling you, the important thing is passing. It doesn't matter how you do it. See? What's the point of all this hard work that you're putting in these silly exams? Learn some smart work from me. Well, suit yourself. I just want to let you know that there may or may not be a textbook hidden in the bathroom on the 3rd floor. So during the exam, if you feel like peeing, you know what to do. What are you doing? Studying? What good will that do? What's the point of studying? We'll just get a doctor's note. My cousin's a doctor. I'll get it for you. Guys, these are the important years of our life. We can't waste them studying. We have to have fun and enjoy life and follow our passion. Who wants to have a Harry Potter marathon? Is anyone hungry? Let's order some pizza. Come on, let's play FIFA. Come on people, respond. No, I'm not going to let you study. You know, one time for an exam, I decided to go for a group study. And the results were so bad that I decided to become a YouTuber instead. So that's it for this video guys. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what happens when you are studying with a group. I make new videos every Saturday and I'll be forever grateful if you decide to stick around, so please make sure to click that subscribe button. You can also follow me on all my social media, the links are in the description below. Have a nice weekend and I will see you next Saturday with another video. Until next time, bye!